Hello, and welcome to WebPros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to use the dashboard. Keep everything organized using the calendar and follow up with a personal touch through video postcards. This is your dashboard. From here, you'll create meetings, access your calendar, and create video messages using your Video Postcard Studio. On the left side of the screen, you can access your profile to upload an avatar and add personal information. Here you can manage permissions. If you ever needed to dismiss someone from your meeting, you'll find them here in Blocked Users. If you need help with anything related to WebPros Meeting, you can access this Get Help and AI Support Assistant in 3 areas from this dashboard, from the Video Postcard Studio, and also from inside the meeting room. You can also log out or delete your account. In the center of the dashboard is your main action area. The large Schedule Meeting button is where momentum begins. Anytime you want to create a presentation, training, or follow-up session, this is your starting point. Below that are 2 quick access tools, Calendar and Video Postcards. On the right side of the dashboard, Today's Meetings helps you instantly see what meetings are scheduled for the day, along with the meeting time and your role as either a host or a guest. You can see the remaining meetings that are scheduled today. This meeting reminder keeps you organized, reduces mistakes, and helps you prepare before guests arrive. To the right of the meeting, click the 3-dot menu to open this meeting's options. From here, you can choose Start Meeting to go live, View to review the details, Edit to make changes, Share Meeting Invitation to quickly send a link to guests, or Delete if the meeting is no longer needed. A simple best practice is to start here every day. Check your schedule, prepare video postcards, and use the dashboard as your meeting launchpad. Thank you for your interest in WebPros Meeting, and thanks for watching.